What's up, you guys? Welcome to the M's family. This is the first edition of Cooking with the M's family. First off, what's up, you guys? My name is Tyrone.
And I'm Wifey Shay.
And I'm Trinity. You big boy Tyler. And big girl and Trinity.
Alright, you guys. We can ready to start off today with our first dinner. So what we got right here, Mom? What we got in your hand?
We got some peeled large shrimps.
Okay, what else do we have?
We have some broccoli steamed in the bag. Of course, I'm going to re-steam it. We have some skinless smoked sausages. And we have some peppers. So this dish that I'm going to make, is going to be something different that we never tried. So if you like it, how it turned out, hit the like button. Tell me how you like it.
Alright, first off, what we gotta do, baby?
Wash our hands.
Okay, let's get over
You already
here.
did that.
Let's wash our hands, wash them again.
You gotta be fresh and clean for coronavirus to go
Yeah.
away.
Come on, put your hand on the front side.
Did you?
You helping out cleaning, Trini?
Come on,
Yeah.
You helping out with the cook?
Yeah.
I say cleaning, I meant cook.
Too hot.
You guys, we was just cleaning up. The house clean. Yeah.
But we always do. Come on, put your hands on.
Sorry, you guys. Let me set this camera down so I can go ahead and wash my hands, help Mom out with the cook.
Get that hand towel so you dry your hands. That's wet towel. Right hand.
You guys, we didn't
Can you put it down, Trinity? Thank you.
help cooking.
Okay, you guys. We vlogging off our phone today because our camera is dead. As you can see, it's sitting over here.
Show them.
It's sitting over here. We got to put it on the charger. I have no idea what I did with the charger. So right now,
Charge it up.
we're gonna do it from our phones today.
You guys,
What we're gonna do is
put me up on the